Hello and welcome back to Mr. Powers Teaches Math, Algebra 2. And we're doing sequences, we're doing arithmetic sequences. And in the last video, we talked about arithmetic sequences, we defined them, and really the definition is to get from one term to the next, you're adding the same thing over and over again, or there's a common difference between each two terms. 8 minus 5 here is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, 14 minus 11, 3. So we're adding 3 each time. And we also found out, as you can see right here, that we can get that a little bigger, is that we have a formula. We can easily, if we have the first term, that is a sub 1, and the common difference, d, we can create an explicit formula for these guys whenever we see them. As long as we can see it's an arithmetic sequence, we can easily create them. So with this one, I want to go ahead and find the arithmetic sequence for this. And let's go ahead and also find the, find, let's say a sub 31. Let's say find the 31st term. So let's use this formula. I can easily see from this that my a sub 1 is 5. And so here, we'll rewrite that over here. A sub 1 is 5, and my common difference is easy enough, 3. So if that's true, all I got to do is take this information and plug it in this guy right here. And what do I get? I get a sub n equals a sub 1, which is 5, plus n minus 1, okay, times d, which is 3. There it is. Now, if I want to simplify this, I can totally do that, and I think I might want to. So let's go ahead. I'm going to distribute this 3 in. So I'm going to get 5 plus 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then combine like terms. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. So I get 2 plus 3n. That's my a sub n. And if I was going to look at this maybe in a graphing calculator, it would be y equals 2 plus 3x, or 3x plus 2, right? And that would graph a line. So very, very similar to a line. I've made that point before. These guys are lines when you plot them out. Now let's double check it. How can I double check it and make sure this is right? Of course, I could use a graphing calculator. I'm going to show you that also. But to check this, let's see if we get these guys right here. A sub 1. A sub 1 would be 2 plus 3 times 1, and that is 5. That works. That's perfect. Let's try a sub 2. Here's my a sub 2. It's 8, right? Okay, a sub 2 would be 2 plus, going on this, 3 times 2. And I get 2 plus 6 is 8. Yep. 8 sub 2 is 8. Totally works. That's all you got to do. Now, let's take this and look at how we can use technology to check our work. It's super easy on these guys, okay? Super easy. And we're going to look at kind of that connection too. So with this, what you can do is set up a table. You're in geogebra.org/calculator. I'm in the graphing mode. I'm going to go to table, and I'm just going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. That's enough. We can keep going if we want. And then I'm going to type in my values. 5, 8, 11, 14, and if I add 3 again, I'd get 17. Okay. And when you do that, you can go back to here, and you can see it plots the points out for us in GeoGebra. So now this is really neat. What you can do is you can go to Tools, or you can go to Algebra even, remember what we said. We said this is like 2 plus 3x. Let's type it out. Y equals 2 plus 3x. Sure enough, go straight through all those guys. That's fun. But you know what else we can do? Is let's say we didn't know the explicit formula yet, or we want to see if it's right. This is one way to check, of course. Does that line go through it? Yeah. You're in good shape. What else we can do is there's this nice tool. Go to Tools over here. Okay? Go to Tools. Scroll down until you get to the lines. Click on the Line tool. And then pick any 2 points on our sequence. Any 2 values. Bam, bam. Click on those. And it creates the line. Creates G for us. And I can click on the line now also. Oops. Let's go ahead and look. We're going to go click the undo button. There's the undo button. I actually want to make sure I'm on the move tool now. I'm going to click on the line, click the 3 dots, go settings, go algebra, and say, hey, you know what? I want that equation in y equals mx plus b. And I want to show the value. Well, there we go. Y equals 3x plus 2. Or a sub n is 2 plus 3n. Bam. There it is. So that's it. Those are all the connections I want to make. I want to show you guys. And so this is how we can easily find the formula. Now, what about a sub 31? Right? I want to get my 31st term now. Well, again, there's a couple ways we can do that really easily. Now that we got this line, we can put it in the table, 3x plus 2. Let's see if I can click over here. Oh, I can't. So let me see here. Well, if we have 3x plus 2, we can just type that in now. Okay. Well, it's G. I don't know. G. So let's see if we can go G of 32. Yeah, and we can. So with technology there, that's all we can do it. We get 98. If we're doing it by hand, we're just going to plug in 31, right? We wanted to find a sub 31. So back to this guy. If you want to find a sub 31, you guys, check this out. We'll go a sub 31 equals, we're using our formula right here. It's going to be 2 plus 3 times 31. That's 2 plus 3 times 31 is 93. Which is going to be 95. Is that what I got? Oh, I typed in 32. Whoops. So make sure when you check it right. Bam. 95. Okay. There you go. That's enough for today. I hope you found that useful. Until next time, enjoy doing math.